LinkedIn Groups. One of the most recognizable things about any social media platforms is groups. Groups are the way that social media users employ to share their common interests in a more direct way, because it allows them to post any type of content for other like-minded individuals in a single place. Groups on LinkedIn are no different, and they are all about allowing like-minded professionals to share the highlights of their trades. And these groups are of special interest to LinkedIn members, because they are places where all kinds of career and business-related information is shared in a more personal way. LinkedIn members can access groups and group-oriented features by going to the Work tab on the LinkedIn account dashboard and clicking on the Groups button. There, they will find the Groups feed, which is aptly called the Groups Highlights section. Highlights from groups in this section are only shown when a member has joined groups in LinkedIn. And to find groups of interest, a LinkedIn member simply has to click on the Discover Groups button featured in this section. Here, they will find groups recommendations based on their profile and professional data. When they find a group that they might be interested in, they simply have to click on Ask to Join to send a request to join the group to the group administrators. They can also stop a group from showing up on the Discover Groups feed by clicking on the Not Interested button featured beside the Ask to Join button on each group. Let's now look at the My Groups tab from the Group Highlights section. In this tab, LinkedIn members can see which groups they have created and manage them accordingly. It is also from this tab where LinkedIn members will be able to create groups of their own by simply clicking on the Create Group button. The group creation process is pretty simple and straightforward. Users simply have to enter a group title, select and upload a group logo, to add a description for the group, to add rules if desired, and to select whether their new group is standard or unlisted. Standard groups are groups that can be joined by about any LinkedIn member, as long as they're invited or their requests to join are approved, and members of this group can freely invite other members. Unlisted groups, on the other hand, are groups where only owners, managers, and moderators from those groups can invite members to join. Also, unlisted groups do not appear on search results or in the Discover Groups feed. Once members have set up their groups, they simply have to click on Save Changes to have them go live on the platform. After creating a group, LinkedIn members will be able to manage group members, invitations, group content, templates, and group details. LinkedIn members can then go back to the My Groups tab and use the settings icon to manage them individually. Alternatively, members can find groups using any keyword by going to LinkedIn's homepage and using the search bar. Once the results are loaded, members can click the Groups tab on the search results to filter out groups found using the keyword entered as filter. And this is how you find, join, and create groups on LinkedIn.